unfortunately, because of the rain we had yesterday and very light wind, we are dealing with some fog out there, down to less than a tenth of a mile of visibility in Muncie and in Fishers, 1 mile of visibility in Kokomo and in Lafayette, and that will likely continue to fall. Here's a look at our Fishers cam. You can see this is looking down into that lower cloud deck, but nonetheless, we have reduced visibility across a good portion of north central Indiana. 49 degrees currently in Indianapolis, 47 in Richmond. It's 42 in Kokomo and 54 still in Bloomington. Now, we have another system that will start to push in a little bit later on this morning. It will bring widespread showers and a few thunderstorms. This will move in by about mid-morning today in southwest central Indiana. Heavy downpours, winds will be out of the south, and this will be breezy, allowing temperatures to really climb quickly. By late afternoon, most of this will be out of here, but notice west central Indiana will dry out first. This has the potential of creating more instability, and that's where we think the stronger risk of severe weather will be. Temperatures this afternoon will climb into those mid-60s, so an unseasonably mild day today. And we do have the risk of severe weather. We're at a number 3 level enhanced risk of severe weather. That does include Indianapolis, Terre Haute, Franklin, Bloomington, and this will all push in as we head into the evening hours. So as far as any tornado risk, we do have a threat of some isolated tornadoes. Again, the best risk will be in west central Indiana, where we have that potential of seeing some sunshine, creating a little bit more of that instability. Wind risk will be the highest. We'll see that threat bumping up to 30% chance for Indianapolis and points to the southwest. We also could see some large hail. So let's take a look at this as future track goes into the evening hours. We will see these storms developing. Heavy downpours, could see some spin-ups with those tornadoes, as well as large hail and damaging winds. This will continue after sunset, and then even after midnight, we still could see some strong to severe thunderstorms. Make sure you have a way to get severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings either through the Live Doppler 13 radar app or through a NOAA weather radio, as these will continue into the early morning hours on Friday. This afternoon, temperatures climb into the mid-60s. We will see that next round of rain moving in by mid-morning. Severe potential will likely be after 5 p.m. tonight, continuing into early Friday. The storms will come to an end early Friday, but then we'll see falling temperatures the rest of the day. The weekend looking pretty good, but much cooler. Temperatures will be in those low to mid-40s, dry through Monday, and then rain chances return by Tuesday.